So we are gradually gathering momentum for the July 2024 examination, and the journey has been interesting so far if you are preparing for the July 2024. Now, interestingly, there are a couple of people who are thinking about the fact that because this is the final examination date, for some reason the examiner is going to be very lenient and the examiner or the examination is going to be quite flexible so that many people can pass the examination as this is the final examination date. Now, I want to let you know that that is not going to happen, because really each examination date, when the exam committee sits down and they are analyzing and selecting questions and putting together the questions, there are a couple of questions that they ask themselves. And one of those questions is, hey, is this a standard question? Does it meet the international standards for professional examination? If yes, it is a standard question and it meets the international standards for professional examination, boom, you're going to see it in the exam hall. So instead of thinking about whether the examination is going to be flexible or not, this is what I want you to do. You have to rather go through the syllabus and make sure you understand the principles and the concepts that underline the subjects that you are going to be writing. I say this always because that is really the goal at the end of the day, because sitting down to try to analyze, try to appraise, or what is the examiner going to ask, what are the things that will be coming, you just have to spend time to go through the syllabus. Yes, I understand there are a lot of things in the syllabus, and somebody will say, oh, Nhyira, there is a lot of material to be covered. Let's say you're doing financial reporting or corporate reporting. Yes, there are a lot of accounting standards to go through. Which ones are going to be coming in the exam hall? Now, immediately you start asking those questions, you are telling me that you are lazy and you are looking for a shortcut so you can pass the examination. But the beauty of the examination now is there is no shortcut. You see, gone are the days where the ICAG examination, you can sit down, solve some past questions, and boom, you'll be able to pass the exam. Now, if you solve past questions from 1973 up to this day, you will go to the exam where I can guarantee you will fail hands down. Why? Because the quality of the questions every examination date is getting better. You know, now the examiner is trying to bring out the best in students at the end of the day. So you read the question and it is not just on the face value. You have to think critically about it and you have to apply the principles, which means that you need to understand the scope of the syllabus very well if you want to pass the examination. And so that means that if you are going into the July 2024 examination, you have to really study and be in the position to pass the examination. That is why I would want you to, if you have not enrolled yet, enroll to study under my mentorship for the examination. Listen, our program is the best suited for you to be able to go into the exam or write the exam with confidence and, most importantly, pass the examination. In addition to joining our interactive online sessions, you will be able to also get access to the playback of the videos, which you can download in our mobile application, which can get access to or download on the Google Play Store or the App Store, the Nhyira Premium mobile application. So it means that you'll be able to download the lecture videos right in the mobile application and watch the playback over and over again without the need for internet, without the need for data cost. And that means that you can then spend the time to understand the principles well to position yourself to pass the examination. In addition to these, you are also going to be guided and mentored, which means that there are going to be assignments. We're going to do performance evaluation tests. All of these is to guide you on how you answer the question, whether you understand the principles, what you're expected to write, how you manage your time, how you deal with your emotions. All of these are the various things that you have to know about as you go into the examination for July 2024. Then the beauty of all these adds together to our live question portal, which is available on our website, which means that you can practice live questions on our website. And that is to help you to recollect principles as fast as possible, help you to time yourself so that it brings the best out of you to analyze whether really you are in a right mental state to be able to recollect information as and when they come. So really our program is a 360 program that helps you to cut across all of the areas that you need to really understand and know about to prepare well for the examination and most importantly, pass the exam. So I want you to head to our website, NhyiraPremium.com, or download the Nhyira Premium mobile application on the Google Play Store or the App Store and enroll in a course today. Listen, we have been in this game for over a decade. We know what it takes to actually take ordinary people, provide them with the guidelines and mentorship that they need, and boom, help them to be able to pass the examination. Listen, I don't think this journey has to be difficult. I don't care how many times you have sat for the examination. I don't care what your experience has been in the past. I don't care what someone has told you about the ICAG examination. There is only one thing that I know, which is there is a blueprint. There is a way you have to study the subjects. There is a way you need to approach the courses. There is a way you need to answer questions in the exam hall. There is a way you need to write out your answers. There are nuggets, there are clues embedded in each of the requirements, in each of the questions that you need to understand. Once you have access to the blueprint, you are guided, you are mentored, you will be in the better position to go into the exam hall, write the exam with confidence, and most importantly, pass the examination. We have the track record because over 90% of the students who go through our programs fully end up passing the examination. Over 90% who go through our programs completely, which means these are people who join our interactive live sessions, people who do assignments and performance evaluation tests, people who are involved and form part or are part of our interactive practice question sessions, people who participate in our mock examination, our mock discussion. So if you are able to go through this program fully, I can guarantee you, you will be in a better position to write the exam and most importantly, be able to pass the examination. We've been in the game, we've done this over and over again, and with the team here, we know exactly what it takes to make you to go to the exam hall, write the exam with confidence, and most importantly, pass the examination. So listen, I don't care what your experience has been. I don't know what your story is, but there is one thing I know. If you can only follow instructions, if you can only do what you are asked to do, we will provide you with the blueprint, the exact blueprint that you need to go to the exam hall, write the exam with confidence, and most importantly, pass the examination. So join us. Let us assist you so you can achieve your goals. Listen, my objective is to help you to make this journey more interesting. I don't believe you need to sit for the exam 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. I don't believe you need to go through this over and over again. If you have the right mindset, you are given the blueprint, and you are willing to follow the instructions, I can guarantee you, you will go to the exam, this examination night, write the exam with much confidence, and most importantly, pass the examination. So head on to our website, NhyiraPremium.com, enroll in a course today with a team here, provide you with a mentorship that you need so you can prepare well for the examination, and most importantly, pass the examination. Remember, our YouTube channel is also available. You can head on to YouTube, Nhyira Premium, and get access to some free content as well on our YouTube channel. We cover various topics across the various subjects that will help you to also prepare for the exam and most importantly, pass the examination. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one as we continue with our discussion.